Oh no, wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today's Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So, if you color your hair at home, and it's usually a dark color or it's a color that your skin absorbs so much that you walk around with an artificial hairline for at least a few hair washes until it can come out, my quick tip is this. Use Vaseline, put it around your hairline so you protect your skin, and color as usual, and the Vaseline repels the color from absorbing into your skin. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an I-E. Or if you want to subscribe, just click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click on the video right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.